Ages and ages ago, I made a video on soldering three-way connections, and I know a lot of people don't solder, and also taping them up can be tricky to make them safe. But what I found recently, and I thought you might want to see these, are these three-way connectors. They also come in, five-way connectors and all sorts of connectors. Now, before you use them on anything around the house, make sure that they meet local codes. This I'm going to use for a solar project. This says it's good to 400 volts, 60 amps, and the wire is 1.1 to 6 millimeter, and they call it an F-3. They have some interesting properties. This one you can see there's a hole this way, two holes that way. So let's open it up. The cover fits on here real tightly, and they look like that on the inside. So this is the in for the two, like that, and then the other side is like that, and it's just a screw down. They've got a brass bus right there, and yeah, that's pretty nice. They also come in various configurations. So this one you can see, let's look at this, it's closed up first. So here's one, there's 2 and 1, so it's the same number of wires in and out. However, the configuration is a little different, and I'll show you why in a second. On the inside, it looks like this. So here's the 2 out, and it's a sound piece of brass like that, and it just fits into the insulating cover, which snaps onto it. But what is more interesting, and the reason I got these, was that you can take 2 of these and they come in left and right hand. So if you do this, let's keep things in focus, Yes, they have a left and right hand, and you can put them together like that. And then you have, so what I'm going to be using is I'm going to have like the negative in, positive in, and then 2 negatives out and 2 positives out, something along that lines. Or you could go the other way and you could have, the opposite flow, obviously. But yeah, I think these are kind of wonderful. I will give them a good test. I will say that when I do it, I am going to tape these because, well, I mean, they do come apart. They don't like to come apart. You really have to pry on them. But still, for safety reasons, I think when I snap them together, I will tape them up just to make sure. Okay, well that was it. Just kind of an interesting little electrical connector that I had not seen before. And I thought you might find that useful and interesting in your home projects, whether it be solar or what have you.